Good morning children, how are you? I hope you are fine and you are safe, you are taking a very healthy food. Okay, class 5 children, this is the English subject. We have completed the textual reading of the lesson. Now we are going to do the textual exercises. Okay children? Yes. A bit, read and answer. Tick the correct answers. Nelson's family slept on mats and sat on the ground because A bit, they had no furniture in their huts. B, they did not spend much time indoors. C, furniture was only used by rich villagers. Which is the correct option children? Yes, they had no furniture in their huts. Okay. Second one, the 3 huts were used for A bit, cooking, sleeping and playing. B bit, cooking, sleeping and for visitors. C bit, cooking, sleeping and storage. Yes, the C bit is the correct answer because the huts are using for cooking, sleeping and storage. Okay children. Third one, Nelson's mother cooked food in where she used to cook food. A hut. B, the fields. C, the hills. Yes, answer is hut. Okay. Fourth, Jesse asked Nelson Mandela not to make his own bed because A, it was against Chinese hospitality. B, they were staying in a luxury hotel. C, Nelson Mandela did not know how to make a bed. So the answer is it was against the Chinese hospitality. Okay, that you have to tick. Okay, coming to the next page children. Answer these questions. Just we will go to the orally. We need not do the answer these questions. Okay children. In African culture, who were considered to be brothers and sisters? So in the African culture, all the cousins, whether they are their moms, sisters or brothers, sons or daughters, they are called our brothers and sisters. Okay. Next, how did Nelson spend his time as a child? What games did he play? So, the Nelson Mandela used to spend his time in the with the help along with the friends. They used to swim in the water. They used to take care of calves and sheep. They used to catch the fishes. Okay, they used to play with their toys which they made. They used to swim in the. They used to made the sledges, right? Yes. And what games did he play? He played the games like the toys which he played with, which he made, and he used to do the stick fight with the boys, right? Next, why do you think Nelson always preferred to make his own bed? What does it show about him? Nelson always preferred to make his own bed because they know they have themselves clean everything. They know how to clean everything, right? Yes. This shows that Nelson Mandela has a great quality in him. Yes. According to Richard Stengel, what made Nelson Mandela great? According to Richard Stengel, the courage which the Nelson Mandela has make him very great. Okay. Write true or false. First one, Nelson lived in Kunu. Yes. True. Please write children from here. True. TRUE. Okay. Second one, Nelson's mother cooked food on the gas stove. Is it true or false? Yeah, it is false because they don't have stove. They are used to cook in the food in a hut. Okay. And in the 3-iron pot, 3-legged iron pot. Okay. Nelson learned to look after sheep and calves in the fields. Yes, that's true. TRUE. Okay. In time, Nelson grew to dislike the world. That is false because he used to do the stick fight with the boys, same boys which he used to sleep with them, right? Yes, that too in only one heart. The engine of the plane in which Nelson Mandela and his assistant were traveling caught fire. No, false, because the propeller was not working properly. That's it. Okay, no, they if it caught fire, then they would have not been lived, so they're alive. So this is false. Okay children, write false in the fifth statement. Sixth one, Nelson Mandela was awarded the Nobel Prize in 1993. Yes, it is true, and he has struggled a lot against the this discoloration and the racism of color. Yes, okay. And he, at last he was awarded with the Nobel Prize in 1993. Okay, so this is correct, true. Okay. Discuss in the class, how is your childhood different from the childhood that Nelson Mandela had? Do you think you would enjoy living the way Nelson did as a child? Okay, so this it is your opinion children. You can give me a voice message. What is your opinion? Like how is your childhood is different than Nelson Mandela? He used to live in the village, and where you are living, and what are the things you are doing, and in your opinion how you can enjoy if you are in the place of Nelson Mandela as a child, right? So these are the things, it is your imagination. You can give me a voice messages so that we can discuss here. I will check. This one is homework, please do it children, or you can write in one paper and you can express your waves. Okay children, so this much only we will complete it, this much only we will complete, and next we will complete the word wise. Okay children, complete this and give me in the WhatsApp group. Okay children, thank you children, take care, bye bye.